Welcome this video. Create project with scrap wood, turning base into wow. In the world of woodwork and project, there are said never throw away scrap wood. Those seems useless left over from large project can become the star of your next creating, whether you are an experienced woodworker or just start out work with scrap wood. Open up a weather of create possibility from smart decoration image to functionally furniture price. Here are some inspire idea to transforming your scrap wood into something beautiful and useful for your home. Understanding craft would become divided into project left different than scrap wood is. Scrap wood physical referent to leftover price from large woodwork project is lumbering that strike have passing years. Those price can vary in size, shape, and type of wood make earth one unique in these applications. Scrap wood projects near lacks experience explore some project that you can strike with your scrap wood. Collect decoration, wall art, turn your scrap wood into a cabin from create can price into various shaped and size, then arrange theme into a or geometric turn. Plots earth price individual before theme of create a stunning wall earth price that add textile and various interior to any room. Fall shared. Outdoor plants, scrap plants, scrap wood is idea for make rustic plants of your gardening or patio. Build simple box or more individual design depend on your skill level. Line the inside with plant and landscape fiber to preference the wood from more than fine and solved and plants your favorite flower and hub, coffee table or side table, scrap for longs, scrap for convenient, multi-functional price. Consider build a coffee table or a side table decoration. The table loft use mold of different woods special or create a pattern with everything fine with left or a base mode from more scrap price or popular material like point cut board and saving turn smart price of hardwood scrap and perfect of create cut board and save companion wood type from any ice sketch design then send to same the surface with foot soft oil away. Those make experience precise gift and family and friend. Photo frame transforming old save craft into create bright frame cut price to size of cotton from a clear look then use wood of cartage sand smoke and finish with pot complement your artwork of photographing finish wall sand all surface throughout appear finish and project and enhance the wood natural beauty makes the match convenient different wood and color of various interior create wood with craft wood it's just about read wash it's